Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this tutorial, we are going to be learning how to change your lobby character in Mobile Legends Bang Bang. To change the character on your lobby on Mobile Legends, first of all, open up the Mobile Legends Bang Bang app on your device, and once you're in the main lobby, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top left. You will then be able to open up your profile, from where simply tap on Edit on the right hand corner. Now you will see all of your heroes you can change to. Tap on the hero icon that you want to change to and that you want them to appear on your lobby. After you do that, click on Confirm. You will then be able to change the lobby character on Mobile Legends. Now you have a new hero on your lobby. So that is how you easily change your lobby character on Mobile Legends. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you never miss out another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.